Mabuhay! My name is Angelo Ego from Hospitality Management. Let's talk about the function of purchasing. Function of purchasing in the department or organizations involves acquiring goods, services, or materials necessary for the company to operate efficiently and effectively. Involves sourcing suppliers, negotiating terms, managing purchase orders, and maintaining optimal inventory levels. It also focuses on cost control, ensuring product quality, building suppliers' relationships, and complying with regulations. The department works closely with other teams to meet organizational needs while managing risks and maintaining accurate records. Overall, the goal is to secure necessary goods and services at the best possible cost and quality.
Pwede na yun.
Mabuhay! I'm Kyle Atanasio from Hospitality Management, and we are discussing functions of purchasing. Purchasing functions: procurement, sourcing and purchasing goods, services, and materials from suppliers. Supplier selection, evaluating and selecting suppliers based on factors such as quality, price, delivery, and service. Contract management, negotiating, administering, and enforcing contracts with suppliers. Purchase order management, creating, managing, and tracking purchase orders. Inventory management, managing inventory levels, including ordering, storing, and issuing inventory.
Purchasing is typically responsible for selecting suppliers, negotiating and administering long-term contracts, monitoring supplier and performance, placing orders of a supplier, developing a responsive supplier base, and maintaining good supplier relations. The main function of purchasing is to acquire goods and services of a company to operate or produce its product, ensuring timely delivery, quality, and cost effectiveness. The function of purchasing is to identify the needs. Purchasing departments help other departments identify their needs, manage the requisition process, and source competitive prices. Supplier management. They are responsible for selecting suppliers, negotiating contracts, and monitoring supplier performance, and maintaining good supplier relationships. And there are also procurement and ordering. They procure goods and services, place orders, and ensure timely delivery to meet production or operational needs. Cost control. Purchasing aims to secure the best possible price value for the company, contributing to cost savings and financial health. Inventory management. They play a role in managing inventory levels to avoid stockouts or excessive storage costs. And also there is strategic role. Purchasing departments can also have a strategic role in improving the quality of business's products and lowering risk in a company's operation by effectively managing supplier relationships.